Armour Battles Mission 1. Turn 2. Command dice are rolled at the start of each turn. The US roll 3 command dice. The Germans also roll 3 command dice. The Germans have 1 wild dice. The US have a double order chain. Multiple order chains allow a player to issue larger move orders. They also let a player issue orders to more than one command group. All of the dice in a multiple order chain must be used before the command pulse ends. The player with the highest command dice gets the first command pulse. The Germans have the highest command dice, so they go first. First German command pulse. The Germans have 3 command dice and 2 staff orders. The Panzer IVs are ordered to advance. The M4s use opportunity fire on the advancing panzers. The Panzer IVs are at effective range. The Panzer IV is suppressed. The next shot has no effect. The M476 fires. The Panzer IV is suppressed. The 2 Panzer IVs are marked as suppressed. Continuing their command pulse, the Germans use a wild dice and a staff order to remove the suppressions. The Panzer IVs now fire. The fire has no effect. The M475 is suppressed. The fire against the M476 has no effect. First US command pulse. The US has 3 command dice and 2 staff orders. The US continues its attack on the right with a double move. The M475 moves at half speed in the woods. The M475 fires at the Stug 3. It's a short-range shot into the flank of the Stug 3. The M4 deducts a dice because of its double move. The Stug 3 gains a dice for being in light cover. The Stug takes 1 disruption and is suppressed. As it has taken a disruption, the Stug 3 is forced back 1d plus 6 inches. As the US command pulse has not ended, the M4s can fire at the Stug as it's forced back. It's a short-range shot into the flank of the Stug. The M476 deducts a dice because of its double move. The Stug takes 5 disruptions and is dispersed. The Germans lose 3 morale. Second German command pulse. The Germans have 1 command dice and 1 staff order. The Panthers are ordered to advance. The Panthers move at half speed on the hill. The Panthers fire at the M4s. The US decides not to use opportunity fire. The M4s are at long range. The M4 is suppressed. The next shot has no effect. The third shot targets the M476. The M476 takes 1 disruption and is suppressed. As it took a disruption, it is forced back. The M4 is forced back to the table edge. Second US command pulse. The US has 1 command dice and 2 staff orders. The US use a staff order to remove the suppression. The US then use a command dice and another staff order to move the M476 onto the hill. The M476 fires on the closest Panzer IV but misses. End of turn 2. The US have 8 morale and the Germans have 3. The battle continues in the next video.